Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. In this video, we're going to talk about Exitus Elite, and also the reason why I have Easy One Up in the title right now is because I want to also invite other affiliate marketers from other businesses like Easy One Up, Infinity Processing System, and just to name a few, to check out Exitus Elite. It's an 8-year business that's been running strong all these years. It's just starting to get some really cool updates, and we're going to be packing a lot of value into the lower product levels. So even if you can't come in at the G1000 or 2000 like I did, you'll still have lots of extra training in there. And there's a few other things I'm going to talk about too. But what is Exitus Elite? Exitus Elite is essentially an all-in-one training platform to help you to learn how to make money online. All our products are all training courses. And let's see, let me come right here. This is my dashboard here. These are all the products. We have 5 products: G100, G250, G500, G1000, and G2000. I came in here at the G1000, and all these numbers here correspond to what kind of commission you can make off of each product. So in Exitus Elite, we make 100% commissions. Exitus Elite never holds our money, and I'll explain that more in pretty soon. But we pay each other our commissions, basically. And we get paid 100% instant commissions to the payment processor of our choice. So I have multiple things. I have Zelle, I have PayPal, I have Cash App. Eventually, I might get Vimeo or Venmo or on there too. But you can choose whatever you want. And in all these products, this is the G100, so not only are you going to get one training course, but you're going to get a bunch of training courses all right here. And then you got here the G250, all this right here, the G500, more training, the G1000. These are actually Legends Millionaire Mentors series, which are just a bunch of interviews with highly successful people, and they explain how they became successful in affiliate marketing and online business in general. So, and then right here you got more training here, and then the G2000, you got more training here. So Exitus Elite has all the training, all the resources that you'll ever possibly need to find success online. And so we're going to come here to the products. So I came in here at the G1000, and that was back in January. I made my first G1000 sale a few weeks ago, and as you can see right here, it says G1000 and qualified. So what that means is the compensation plan in Exitus Elite from the G500 and up is a one-up compensation plan. So what that means is when you first get started at your highest level, you're going to pass up your first commission sale up to your sponsor or the person that brought you in. So when I got qualified, I can now make $1,000 commissions at that level. So at the G100 and G250, the two lower levels, you don't pass up any commission. So every single commission is yours right from the get-go. So the reason why Exitus Elite does this, and that's why I love Exitus Elite, because it's always looking out for all of us affiliates. So here at the G100 and G250, you make all your commissions. And the reason is that Exitus Elite wants you to make as much money as possible to be able to upgrade to the next product level. They're unlocking more commissions that you can make. So that's one of the reasons why I love Paul Stevenson as a business owner, and I love Exitus Elite because they're always putting us affiliates first. I've been in a lot of opportunities where uh, the owners couldn't care less about the business, and they ended up driving it into the ground. So you won't get that with Exitus Elite, and I have no fear of bringing anybody into this business because it's been running strong for 8 years, and I don't have to worry about my downline and my team getting hurt in this business. So so I always say come in as high as you can possibly afford, because you unlock all the other commissions the higher you go up. So I'll give you an example of that. So here at the G1000, when I came in, I got all these products right here at no extra cost, including the $100 commissions, the $250 commissions, and the $500 commissions that I can make. And I also get payment overrides. So what that is, let's say you came in here at the G100 because that's all you could afford. So let's say you make a G1000 sale. So what's going to happen is you're still going to get your commission no matter what. No matter what sale you make, even if you don't own the product, whatever product level you're at, you're going to get that commission. So you're still going to get the $100 commission. And what's going to happen is the remaining $900 that's left over of that commission is going to get passed up to me because I'm qualified here at the G1000. So I always say just come in as high as you can possibly afford. If you can, come in at least at the G1000, if not the G2000. The G1000 is the most popular product Exitus Elite has because in its whole 8-year history, more people, 90% of the people that come into Exitus Elite come in at the G1000 or higher. So, but like I said, if you can only come down here at the G100, the G250, or even the G500, that's fine too, because when you upgrade to the next product level in Exitus Elite, you only pay the difference for what you already purchased. So let's say not too long from now, I want to upgrade to the G2000, which is going to happen eventually. What I'm going to do is I am going to be upgrading. So what happens? So you pay the difference for what you already purchased, essentially is what it is. So as you can see right here, I paid $299 for the membership fee and $1,000 to my sponsor. So what's going to happen is I'm going to minus $299 from this purchased, from this membership fee, and I'm also going to subtract $1,000 from the $1,000 that I owe my sponsor. So essentially, I'm coming in for $1,100 because I'm only paying the difference for what I already purchased in the last product. So in Exitus Elite, to purchase it, all you got to do is pay the yearly membership fee, like it says right here. This is a yearly membership fee. We do not take any automatic payments on renewal. So at the end of a year, if you don't want to do Exitus Elite anymore, Exitus Elite isn't going to make that automatic payment out of your bank account. Another reason why Exitus Elite puts the customer and the affiliate first. And then right here it says to participate in the Exitus Elite compensation plan, you have to make a product purchase via your sponsor. So like I said, Exitus Elite does not hold our money, and that commission is going to get passed up. I mean, that commission we pay each other our commissions. So, and that's to the payment processor that you choose. So I'm going to come right here to my dashboard. Right here. Let's go to my profile and my payment options. So these are some of the payment options that you can use right now. Whatever it is that you want to use. Stripe, Payz, Authorize.net, credit debit card if you have a way of doing that, bank, PayPal, Cash App, Zelle. Those are the three I use. And if you have another one that you want to use, you can just click right here and you can state what you want to put in here. So like I have Western Union, so if somebody wants to use that, they can do that as well. Or if you want to, you can always do a money order or something like that. So I give people all the different options. Eventually, I want to add Venmo as well. So, and they also have a Bitcoin option, a Tron. I think that's a cryptocurrency. Ethereum, that's another cryptocurrency. So you can use all these things to pay with or get paid by, and you get paid that same day. So that's why it's an instant commission. There's no waiting until Wednesday or Thursday or by the end of the month to get your commission. You get your commission paid instantly. And what's going to happen is when you send me my commission, you're going to verify in your account that you paid me. And then I'm also going to verify. And once I get verified that I got my payment, I can now unlock your system. So that's how it works. So I went over just about everything, the compensation plan, how to buy a product, how we get paid. But the other thing is, too, when you join my team, not only are you going to get all the training and support that you get from the products themselves, you're also going to get our team bonus training that you can give out to your team as well when you get signups. So that gives your signups some more extra support and incentive to join. So it's called the 3 Generations Bonus Training. And here at Generation 1, you're going to get 27 videos learning from a 6-figure earner who has been highly, highly, highly successful in this business. And right now we have 5 live links, so by the time you come back to this page, there may be some more updated. I know my friend is working on these, so it's only a matter of time. And then part 2 is just questions and answers about Exitus Elite. So if you have somebody has a specific answer about Exitus Elite, like what is it, you can send them all these videos. We got in Generation 2, we got Craigslist training. We have Instagram training. The Mega Swipe File page, which I'm going to talk about in a minute. And we also have a solo ad. So if you want to buy some traffic for your Exitus Elite business, you can also purchase from Udemy here as well. And then Generation 3, we have some Power Lead System share codes that you can use to promote Exitus Elite if you want. And then you got some additional, even more training from my friend right here. This is all some of his best trainings here. So you're going to get all that plus the Mega Swipe File page right here. We're going to give you all these links here. These are all free. I'd say 99% of these are all free places where you can advertise Exitus Elite on. And not only are we going to give you the links to all of them, but we're also going to give you the headlines right here. You can copy and paste these headlines and these ad bodies into the ad, and there you have your own ad there. And of course, you can also edit those up and do what you want with them. But you're going to get all this training, all this support, and we also have some Facebook scripts and some Craigslist scripts as well. And then we also have some team ad art that you can use. So if you're brand new and you want to build some credibility and you don't have any of your own, you can use these ad pictures in your ads, and you can also show people. You can say, a friend of mine or somebody I know in this company gave me permission to use these just to show you what's possible in Exitus Elite. Now, I'm going to show you a few of them myself right now. So, like it says right here, trusted 7-year-old business, life-changing business, comes with everything that you need. And then you got this is basically what's possible with this opportunity. And you got some $1,000 commissions here, and some more income proof, and you can use all of these in your own marketing. So, like this one right here, this was from November of last year. So yes, this opportunity has been around for 8 years now, and you can see that it's still paying out to this day. And these are all these. So you can use all this stuff right here, because I know when you're first starting and you're new at something, you don't have any credibility of your own. So you can use somebody else's credibility to get you started. So, but just don't lie and tell people that this is your income. Be honest. Just say a friend of mine or somebody I know in this company, this is what he's making right now. So anyways, if you want to want to join and check everything out, the link is in the description below, as well as all my contact information. I am accessible. You can call me, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. So if you like this video, guys, make sure you hit that like button, and also subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you'll get notified when I upload new content. And I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye.